Hello, students. Today I am coming after a long time with a short informative video for class 10 on the lesson electricity. Before starting my explanation, I would like to wish you Happy New Year 2021. So last 2020 it was a worst year for all of us. From all the side, and for you also I hope uh, you miss your friends and school, as well as so many other problems also you are facing. Online classes are you are doing, but then also I don't think that these online classes are as good or as uh, useful as the offline classes for you. Anyhow, so we have to continue our study on this year. uh, your examination also, it is going delayed. It is starting from 11th of May, as it is announced by the Education Minister of Assam. So today I am going to make this video due to the or on request of some of the students, some basic terms which are used in this lesson electricity. So you may have these common problems, so that is why I am making this video. So first of all, in this chapter electricity, we are discussing about the charges, okay, the flow of the charges. So what is charge? Most of you know. So a charge may be positive or negative, and one charged object and one point charge, so that is a difference between them. So one charge object means which is having charge either positive or negative, and one point charge, actually point charge represents the subatomic particles. The negative point charge, it means one electron, and a positive point charge, it means one proton. So it is actually point charge. So now when we are going to discuss about these terms of electricity, like the potential difference, okay, then after the relationship between potential difference and resistance, etc, etc. So in these cases we are discussing about the point charge. Okay, so generally point charge means the positive point charge, that means one proton, but sometimes negative point charges are also used in some cases. So now you see, first of all, I would like to tell you the potential. What do you mean by potential? Okay, so this is a very important term in electricity. So potential means, to understand, you can say it is the means capability. Potential means the capability of a particular place electric within an electric field. So when there is a point charge, then around the charge one area is there where it is showing its force of attraction or repulsion. So within that area, within that place, if another charge, if it is kept, or another positive or negative charge if it is kept, then that particular charge is experiencing a force, because the main charge, that means the for whom the electric field is generated, so that main charge will either pull or push the another charge. So it will experience one force, and to be in a particular place within the electric field, that particular charge have to do some work. That means it is like this. You see, you want to be in one place, but somebody is pushing you or pulling you. Then what strength you should have to be there in that place? So that is the potential of that place. In case of electric field, that is a potential. That means that the capability of a particular charge to be present at a particular point within one electric field. That is the potential. So in another way, you can say that if you bring one point charge from outside of the electric field to a particular point on the electric field, then you have to do a work. Work means, W equals to F into what? Distance. Okay, force into distance. That means when you are bringing one point charge from outside of the electric field to inside, then you have to do work, because against the force you have to move it. So you are doing one work. So that work is also said as the potential of that point. So potential you can define by two ways. First one, the energy, or you can say energy, the energy required to be present, or the energy required to be present in a particular place within the electric field by one point charge. That is the potential one. And another way, you can say the work done to bring one point charge from infinity, that means outside of the electric field, into the electric field. So that is also potential. So definition is there in the book. From the book only you can write the definition, but for understanding I am telling these things. Okay. Secondly, potential difference. So most of you are understanding potential difference. That means difference between two potentials. So in a electric field, as there are so many points, so in every point the potential is different, because in every point to be present in that particular point, different energy is required. Okay, so that means that is a potential. So in different places different potential is there. So what is the difference between two potentials? Let one point is A, one point is B. So in A, what is the potential, and in B, what is the potential? The difference between them, it is said the potential difference. For example, let at the point A, potential is let 10, and at the point B, potential is let 5. So what is the difference? 10 minus 5, that means 5. So like that also you can think about the potential difference. Otherwise, one more way is also there. So in that case, what you can do, let from one point to another point, when you are going to bring one point charge, then what work you have to do? So already I told you that the force of attraction or force of repulsion is different in different places. If the place is near to the main charge, then potential will be more there. If it is far from the main point, then potential will be less. So when you are going to bring from one point to another point, when you are going to bring one charge, one point charge, then definitely against the force or towards the force, you have to work. You have to do work. So that work done to bring one charge, point charge, from one point to another point within the same electric field, so that is said as the potential difference. So these two are the confusing and puzzling terms for the students. That is why I try to clarify it. So the conclusion I would like to tell you, that potential means the potential, it is for one particular point, not for a charge. Potential is for a point. So that means in a particular point within a electric field, so what energy is required to be present in that point for one charge, point charge, then that is the potential. Okay, potential is the ability to be present in a particular point within an electric field. But potential difference, that means that is the difference between two potentials of two places or 2 points, or you can say that potential is the work done to bring one point charge from infinity to a particular point on an electric field, and potential difference you can say the work done or the work that should be done to bring one point charge from one point to another point within the same electric field. So this is the main thing about this potential and potential difference. Okay, like that, so many terms are also there. In my next videos, I will try to explain you, and where you have problem, you just message me or you comment me below this video. In the comment box, you comment me what type of definition or what type of explanation you require. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and that's for today. Thank you and have a good day.